What's going on, family? I wanted to give you a small update. I wanted to show you I got threshold in. Still working on a few things in here. I got my toolbox in here. The 5 box, the beginning where I started. Got it in here where I can be able to do a couple things when that time comes. Wanted to kind of show you the room in here. And as you see, like, it's a nice ceiling. Like, this is a 9.5-foot ceiling. So even once we drop it to do the sheetrock and the walling, the drywall, it's gonna be cleaning room. It's gonna be nice. As far as the openness, my goal is to have one wall and an opening. So I'm gonna have a wall on this side and an opening on that side. But I might have a door right here to enter this side, then I might not. I'm still debating on that, still working on that idea. But most definitely, that's gonna be the enter when you walk in. My goal is to have a wood wall there. I don't know if I'm gonna go with a full wood wall or a partial wood wall. I'm still in between the ideas on that. But we're gonna be doing the flooring. Like I said, still a lot to go. I still had to cut it in half. I got half of it cut already. The bottom half is actually cut. While I'm waiting, I got a guy supposed to be meeting today or tomorrow to come by here and work out some ideas on separating it for me. So we're doing that. Getting a few things done. Like I say, killing a few birds with one stone. I like my day room light. It's gonna be plenty of light. My goal is once you walk in, you're just walking straight inside and you'll see the display wall showing everybody that actually was a part of the tree of life of the HogOn Cafe. And for those who network with us, the businesses, the independent owners, the entrepreneurs, the individuals who help us get things off the ground and who we actually network with and do business with and who promote will be on that wall. So it's going to be a different, you can be able to tell who is the business side as for those who want to promote with us, and then the part where it's going to be like the tree of life. So it'll be 2 different displays. So you can tell once you see it, the direction we're going to be going with this. But like I said, I still got a few things to do. That's actually my door for my rear end. This is her side. It's pretty much just going to be storage on this side. So our goal is just to have storage on this side. So we're going to frame it out. We're going to do the lighting, and then we'll be sitting it over on the other side over there. So that way she can start using it for storage, and then mine's going to be a display. So as you see, I got a few things going. I got my metal ordered today. Just want to salute everyone that's been supporting me, that's been helping me get things off the ground. So for those who have been helping me, I put another order in today. So I spent $1,000 today on a order for some steel and some supplies. So I'll be having some stuff that's going to be in tomorrow. Found a excellent steel company here. It's called Quick Steel in OKC. I like their prices. They deliver. It made me feel like I was at home. We laughed on the phone. Like, it was a good conversation. And I like spending my money with people I can actually network with. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing, man. I'm out here actually getting a few things done. Utilizing my time right now. That's actually my cap right there for my end, and it's going to be an open end. And we're going to have foam around it because it's going directly right beside the building. You know what I mean? So she can just walk into it. As you see, as she just walk into it, she'll be able to just go straight into it and start putting storage up. So that's what we're doing today. I'm out here actually networking. Just left earlier, went and did some things for the sign. Now I'm back here at the headquarters of the HogOn Cafe, actually working on a few things. Put the threshold in. I got some other metal to go look at, some blocks to pick up, and like I said, I put a big order in, so I'm gonna be doing some stuff, working on the deck on the top of it. I'm gonna lay it out tomorrow. If I get the stuff in early and it's not pouring down raining, we're supposed to get a lot of more rain tomorrow, I'll be out here working on it. So once I get a chance, like right now, it feels good before the rain comes, like it's about to come again. So before it comes, I'll be able to do a few more things. So I have a few things I'm trying to do with the container. My goal is to, like I say, have a good display and be able to show what I do and be able to show, also network with the people that I network with. I want to have their products and services in there as well. So that way, no matter where I'm at, you see what they got going on. And I think it's good to form a good community. No matter what city, state you're in, we can still have a good network. We still can get our hog on together. I got a brother now I've been networking with who's actually working on my website. He's in DC, but he was in Georgia, you know what I mean? So you never know who you network with, you know what I mean? It's all about opening up those doors and actually allowing yourself to grow, allowing yourself to build, allowing yourself to grow your business by thinking outside the box, networking outside the area, and networking with people who actually experts in what they do. Like you're an expert in what you do, because that's going to make it a plus, both of y'all being experts. So just wanted to kind of give you an update. Like I said, I'm out here today. The wind is blowing a little bit. The weather hopefully permits. We can be able to knock this out soon. You know, it's just stages. It's just stages. So it's stages, and on top of that, you know, you still got your bills and your life you got to do, you know. So, you know, we still gonna take care of it. Regardless of what happened, we're gonna put this thing together. We're gonna be able to do some more. We have some few people that's actually looking for some conversions. So as we do this one, I know it's gonna open up the doors for a few more that we're gonna be doing, but you have to start somewhere. So to my entrepreneurs, to my grinders, to my small businesses, and those who actually want to start new careers, man, just go on and start. Start today. And a year, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you're going to look back and you're going to be like, man, I am so glad I got started. So glad. Like, I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, I sit back and think about it all the time. Like, when I first got on these containers, I was in the desert. I'm not in the desert now, but I'm on some rocks. So it reminded me of being, you know, when I was in the desert and stuff. I got some trees in the desert. I didn't have no shade like this. Well, I'd have died for some shade like this. We had no shade. We just in the middle of the openness. You just out there, you know what I mean? If you ain't got no canopy, if you ain't got nothing, then that's how you doing it. So I learned everything raw. So now that things are about to get a lot smoother and better for me, you know what I mean? I can be able to think outside the box, and I can still make a lot of stuff happen. So, you know, I just wanted to say that when you're building what you're building, remember that you got to start from somewhere, ground zero. Remember that you got to do it first. You got to start, and don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. If it's something that you can't do, then just figure out how can you do it. Like, okay, well, I can't do this at this moment, but I need to do this, and then I can be able to do it. So it's all about thinking outside the box, utilizing your time, getting your hog on, putting your best foot forward, and remember that your image, your presentation is everything. Everything. That's what's going to help you really get your hog on and stand out when you're networking your business. Hog on.